Shenyang has more than 25 years of experience in metal product processing. We are readily available from metal stamping, turning, then to surface treatment. From early OEM processing to now, we have advanced to ODM and continue to develop our own brand products and sell them to all over the world. In terms of quality, delivery, service, and price, we have been confirmed by domestic and foreign customers for many years. And our performance has grown year by year, and the implementation of public welfare is not left behind. The employees in the factory or neighbor in the village all praise Shenyang as a truly happy enterprise.
Shenyang has always won other factories by concept, and this has always been the equation for success that we agree with. Success equals to patience times ability. We have always kept an open attitude to face all new knowledge and trends. Although we are a traditional industry, we are convinced that our ideas and styles are not traditional rigid. Instead, we always insist on quality and improvement. Use knowledge management methods to improve our process. We have a lot of experience in the past to cooperate with other academic units, and in the factory establish new process knowledge and technology transfer, such as code forging, precision blanking, and deep drawing. We firmly believe that concepts are the key to applying knowledge and technology.
Shenyang has already used CCD in the factory for 2D and 3D dimension scanning and has rapid inspection equipment to production. It can check quality when producing at the same time. The detected data is synchronized with SPC tools for long-term data analysis. SPC is a very effective tool for finding abnormalities. When the dimension is out of spec, we will immediately perform the corrective actions. Keep parts dimension at the center line. At the same time, this also helps us reduce product errors or the risk of tooling damage.
A 3D scanner, 3D printer, and job test tower. We use 3D scanner to measure finished plastic parts. Connect the CAD/CAM data originally designed to confirm the correctness of the tooling design, which can shorten the tooling design time and reduce the cost. The 3D printer can quickly generate the model and the appearance of the part, just through the combination of rapid automatic prototyping hardware system and CAD software model. Various products with complex shapes can be manufactured, which greatly reduces the tooling design time. When we participated in the exhibition in Japan in 2017, we encountered a customer who made engineering safety belt for the self-developed anti-fall device. We specially built an anti-fall test tower to do performance test analysis and understand its safety.
Caring for the earth, Shenyang promises with a vision of a green power plant. In the future, the processing such as overmolding, inspection, and stamping will be changed to automatic production. Use automation to distinguish place, pack, and cut actions. Human errors are reduced. The quality and the yield rate is improved. With the same input cost, more production capacity, more acceptable quality, maximization of efficiency, and faster delivery. Automatically turn this into price advantages and service energy to give back to customers. The environmental protection equipment introduced in this plan is also a goodwill boost to enhance the company's reputation and corporate image.